This is Acer Swift 5. So, if you want to know more about this laptop, then watch till the end of this video. And guys, don't forget to click like on this video, comment down below in whatever comments that you want to comment about this laptop, and click subscribe to my channel, and also that bell button so you'll get updates on my videos later on. Okay, I am so excited to feature another laptop. Of course, from Acer. This is Acer Swift 5. Tingnan mo ito, para lang siyang para siyang tray.
Yes.
It's so light, it's so beautiful, and I would love to buy this laptop. And we have here Mr. Jason. I should call him Sir Jason. He is the Retail Business Associate of Acer Philippines, and he's going to help us explain thoroughly about what Acer Swift 5 is all about, you know?
Yes.
This is really, really good. This is so beautiful, it's so light, and it's so lightweight, and you can bring this anywhere with you. Okay, so Sir Jason, tell us something about this laptop in terms of who is this laptop fit for?
So one of the target market po natin dito sa Acer Swift 5, ito po yung mga customer na always on the go. Na yung mga customers na nagwawant ng laptop na medyo magaan, sleek, hindi bulky. Yung mga customers natin na hindi po gusto ng mga laptop na bulky. So sila po yung target market natin dito. For example, yung mga professional, teachers, or even students po, yung pwede nating i-target market po sa Acer na Swift.
Yeah, like you mentioned that this one is so lightweight. Ano yung weight nito?
Yes. Weight po ng Acer Swift 5 po, hindi lang po siya abot ng 1 kilo. So nasa around 970 grams lang po siya. So ganun po siya kagaan po.
It's definitely amazing.
Yes.
It's so lightweight. Let me just open this one first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. See this one? And you can open this up to this part.
So pwede siyang itilt hanggang 180 degree po.
So Sir Jason, what are the notable features of this laptop?
Yes, so one of the key features po sa ganitong laptop is nakikita natin po is pinaka number 1 po yung design natin. So yung back cover po nito is made of aluminum magnesium alloy. So meaning po very durable po yung top cover natin dito sa ating Acer na Swift 5. So mapapansin natin medyo talaga siya, medyo sleek and very magaan talaga siya. Kasi nga po yung material ginagamit natin dito is magnesium alloy po.
Magnesium alloy, and
Yes.
then you mentioned earlier that this material is used for what kind of
yan po yung materials na ginagamit po yung sa mga race car, yung rims nila. Yung ginagamit nila na rims doon sa gulong nila is yun po, magnesium alloy po yun. So ito po yung ginagamit din sa Acer Swift 5 natin.
Okay, that's perfect.
Yes.
Okay, what else? Aside from the material that is so lightweight, magnesium alloy, okay?
Yes,
It's so lightweight. Aside from that, what other key features does this laptop have?
Yes. Acer Swift 5, it comes with a 14 inches na touchscreen. So touchscreen po itong Swift 5 natin.
Touchscreen.
Yes. And then yung weight po, as I mentioned kanina, so hindi siya aabot ng 1 kilo. So nasa 790 lang yung kilo niya. And then, naka-IPS po siya, IPS technology, wherein naka-in-plane switching.
What does that
Meaning,
mean?
kung i-view mo siya patagilid, kung mayroon kang videos diyan, so hindi ka maka-experience ng blurred. So klaro pa din yung pag-view mo kung i-view mo siya patagilid. Okay? And then yung battery po nito, one of the highlights din, isaabot siya ng up to 8 hours po. So matagal siyang malobat tong Acer na Swift.
Standby, di ba?
Yes, standby time. Yes po. Maganda po yung webcam ng natin, yung Acer Swift 5. Kasi nga po yung camera nito is naka HDR. So high dynamic range. So ibig sabihin po, kung nasa dim ka na surroundings, kung magagamit ka ng webcam, so siya, mayroon siyang sensor na ilalighten yung background mo para makikita pa din yung view mo.
So, let's talk about, you mentioned about the pickup of the Wi-Fi signal for this one. How good is this laptop in picking up Wi-Fi signal?
Yes, sir. So, yung Acer Swift 5 po natin is yung antenna po ito is naka-double antenna. So, yung technology po na ginagamit natin dito is naka-AC Wi-Fi antenna. So, it will give you a wide range of wireless na signal. So, ibig sabihin po, pwede ka nang hindi lalapit sa wireless na router mo. Kasi nga po, yung antenna po nitong Acer na Swift 5 po natin is naka-double antenna. So, malakas po siya makasagap ng wireless na signal. So, yung other features po ng Acer Swift 5 natin is yung speakers po nito is maganda. Wherein yung ginagamit po natin na technology is Acer True Harmony. Wherein yung materials po yung ginagamit ng Acer na Swift 5 po natin is made of paper cones. So, ibig sabihin, it will give you a wide range of bass.
Okay, so you mentioned 5 key features of this laptop. So let's start with quality or the material that this laptop is using. This one is magnesium alloy. You mean the cover?
Yes.
Is magnesium alloy,
The cover.
right? And the second one is the quality of the webcam. It's perfect, especially if you are having online classes. And the third one is IPS. That means
In-plane switching.
in-plane switching means.
Wherein, kung i-view mo siya in different angle, klaro pa din yung ano.
Okay, so
yung
whichever
view mo.
angle you view on this screen, front or on both sides, everything is still clear.
Yes.
The fourth one is the battery life, because the standby mode is up to 8 hours. And the fifth one is yung antenna, like you mentioned.
Yes,
this one.
yung AC antenna po yung
AC
ginagamit
antenna,
natin.
because this can easily pick up Wi-Fi signals even if you're very far from the router. Tell me more about the specifications of this laptop.
Oh, yes. Sir, yung ano pa natin, yung features po natin dito or yung specs po, pinaka number 1 po ang ano natin, processor. So it comes with the Core i5 8th generation, and then yung memory po nito is naka 8 gig of RAM. Tapos yung storage po nito is naka SSD. So it comes with 256 gigabyte, and then 14 inches 1080p IPS na display.
Tell us about the input-output of this laptop.
Yes, yung input and output po dito sa ating Acer na Swift 5. So, ano po, pinaka sa gilid po, meron ditong tinatawag na HDMI port wherein pwede nating i-view po kung meron kang projectors or even monitors. So, pwede nating ikabit dito. And then, meron din siyang dalawang USB 3.0. So, kung for example, mga flash drive mo or external hard disk, kung meron kang mga songs or videos na i-copy mo, so meron kang dalawang port for the USB. And then meron din siyang USB Type-C wherein kung meron kang gadget na naka USB Type-C, like pwede mo siyang i-plug dito and then it will give you a charge sa gadget mo. Sa gilid, makikita natin dito, ito yung input and output sa ating microphone and the headset. Meron din tayong for security purposes, yung port dito meron din for Kensington para hindi siya manakaw easily. So yung kagandahan po ng Acer Swift 5 po is available po siya in 2 colors. So meron tayong hawak dito kasama ko si Sir Gio. So yung hawak ko naman ito is honey gold.
Okay, let's open it first. I love this charcoal blue.
Yes.
And let's do this 180 degrees.
Yes, 180 degrees.
See this one? It's amazing.
Yes.
Look at this.
Ano din ang kagandahan nito is yung backlit natin, yung keyboard niya is meron siyang backlit na keyboard na color white.
Oh, I want to buy this one. Okay. The biggest question. Let's close this first.
Yes.
How much is this?
Dahil po sa chassis, number 1, kasi made of magnesium alloy. Second, yung mga features maganda. Naka AC antenna, pinaka number 1, so it will give you a wide range of wireless na signal. Number 2, yung speaker is made of paper cones, Acer True Harmony na technology, wherein it will give you a wide range of bass. So maganda po talaga yung quality ng sounds po dito, yung speaker natin. Number 2. Number 3 po is yung webcam po nito is naka HDR po, wherein to give you a brighter view sa ating camera kasi naka HDR po siya, high dynamic range po. So yung screen po nito is naka 14 inches, full HD, 1080p, tapos naka IPS. Touchscreen na din siya.
I think that is the most notable key feature of this laptop. Touchscreen.
Yes, naka touchscreen din siya. So kaya siya medyo din, yung price po nito medyo may Tawag dito, medyo may kamahalan ng konti. Konti lang naman. So, hindi pa siya gaano mahal.
Like how much?
Kasi medyo ano siya, 59, it costs only 59,990 for this Acer Swift 5.
Yeah, so why settle for less if you want something that is durable, lightweight, fashionable, and it's also touch screen? Then I would definitely settle for this one. 59,000, it's all worth it. See this one? Para lang siyang tablet.
Yes, para
It
tablet.
definitely looks like a tablet, and yung weight din niya parang tablet din.
Yes.
It's a little bit heavier than the tablet, but parang tablet talaga.
Kasi yung function po nito parang tablet na din. Wherein kung dito, kung mayroon kang pictures dito sa ating screen, so pwede mo siyang i-zoom in and i-zoom out. So parang tablet na din yung features po nitong ano natin, yung Acer na Swift 5.
Thank you so much, Sir Jason, for
welcome, sir.
giving us light on what this amazing lightweight laptop is all about. And you know what? I have learned a lot about Acer Swift 5, and I will definitely buy this laptop. If I have all the money, I will buy all Acer laptops, okay? Because, as far as this one is concerned, this is definitely the one that is fit for people who are always on the go like me. I don't want to carry a very heavy laptop with me. This one is perfect. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your time with me. Once again, I'm so happy that we made another review of another laptop, of course, Acer. This is Acer Swift 5, and thank you so much for liking this video and also subscribing to my channel as well. So that's all for now, guys, and see you next time.